Hello friends, thank you for watching these videos. I hope you all are in the best of your preparation mode as this is very crucial time because every university's MA entrance examination is going to be conducted in the September month, and it's the general rule that more we practice the previous year papers of various universities, we will come across the diversity of questions being asked in political science examination. So let us today solve Hyderabad University's 2019 MA Political Science paper. Question number 1 says, who among the following ancient Greek thinkers said that the state comes to be for the sake of life and exists for the sake of good life? And the right option here is option B, Aristotle. Question number 2, the doctrine of separation of power is attributed to option C, Montesquieu. Question number 3. The theory of Rajmandala or circle of kings is associated with option C, Kautilya. 4. The Purusharthas include option B, Earth, Dharma, Kam, Moksha. 5. In his book Social Contract, Rousseau propounded the idea of option C, popular sovereignty. 6. The concept of virtue and fortune are associated with option B, Machiavelli. Question number 7. Who defines politics as the study of influence and influential? Option A, that is Harold Laswell. Moving towards question number 8. According to Aristotle, polity means option A, rule of many with their consent. Actually, sorry friends, the right option here will be option B, that is rule of few with the consent of many. Option B, rule of few with the consent of many. Question number 9, which natural right according to Hobbes must not be surrendered to the states? Right option will be option D, right to self preservation. Question number 10. General will leads to formation of political society where individuals participate with option D, common interest. 11. What does Mahatma Gandhi's talisman stand for? So the right option will be option C, Swaraj for the Hungry. Question number 12 says, who coined the slogan educate, agitate and organize? And the right option here will be option A, B.R. Ambedkar. 13. Which of the following thinkers held that he who mixes his labor removes a thing from its natural state and thus acquires a property right over that thing? So the right option here will be option A, John Locke. 14. Who wrote the tract on subjection of women? You all know the right option here will be option B, J.S. Mill. 15. According to Aristotle, when many well-off people rule for greater wealth accumulation, the regime is option D, oligarchy. 16. The distinction between the city of God and city of man is attributed to option B, Augustine. 17. Santi Parv in the Mahabharata is primarily a conversation between option A is the right, Yudhishthir and Bhishma on statecraft. Question number 18. Who said that the character of people is not to be blamed any more than that of princes, for both alike are liable to err when they are without any control? And the right option here will be option D, Machiavelli. 19. Hobbes described one of the following as solitary, poor, nasty, brutish and short. So the right option here will be option B, life in the state of nature. 20. For liberalism, the most fundamental feature of the individual is option D, his or her capacity to make choices. 21. One of the following gives central importance to racial purity and racial superiority. So the right option here will be option D, Nazism. 22 says, Locke uses the description white paper void of all characters to describe option D, human mind at birth. This concept is also known as friend tabula rasa. 23. The doctrine of socialism in one country was proposed by option B. Stalin, Joseph Stalin. 24. Who among the following was defeated at Battle of Waterloo? Option B. Napoleon Bonaparte. 25. The idea of perpetual peace is associated with option D. Immanuel Kant. 26. The Durand line separates, and the right option here is of Pakistan and Afghanistan, option C. 27. Wuhan spirit refers to a meeting between right option here will be option B, that is Narendra Modi and Xi Jinping. 28. The concept of soft power is enunciated by option T. Joseph Nye. Now what happened, let me do this. So moving towards 29, India's nuclear doctrine includes option D, no first strike. So India's nuclear doctrine is that India will not strike firstly on any states by its nuclear weapons. Similarly, China has also no first strike policy. 30. The notion of collective security is mostly associated with United Nations, option B. 31. Which of the following international boundaries does not exist any longer? Right option is option B, 17th parallel. 32. India is not a member of option B, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. 33. Doklam issue is a foreign policy matter involving option A, India, China and Bhutan. 34. 14 points statement is associated with option D, Woodrow Wilson. 35. In which of the following countries legislature has more power in the making of foreign policy? Option D, USA. 36. The behavioral approach to comparative politics emphasizes option A, systematic collection and examination of facts. 37. The notion of bureaucratic rationality comes from option C, Max Weber. 38. The theory of means and forces of production is associated with D, Marxism. 39. Red tapeism refers to option D, rigid conformity to formal rules and regulation. 40. A catch-all party means option A, a political party based on support of different views and ideologies. 41. Devolution means option B, grant of power by an upper level government to a lower one. 42. 123rd Constitutional Amendment Act provides constitutional status to option D, National Commission for Backward Classes. 43 says, what is the time period of UNO's Sustainable Development Goals? Option B, 2015 to 2030. 44. The purpose of voter verifiable paper audit trail VVPAT is to option A, enable a voter to verify whether his or her vote was cast correctly. 45. Who among the following developed the concept of zone of indifference in respect of acceptance of authority by a subordinate? Right option will be B, Chester Bernard. 46. Which of the following reports deal with relationship between specialist and generalist? Option C, Fulton Committee report. 47. A new All India services can be created by option C, a resolution under Article 312 of the Constitution. It is a special power given to the Rajya Sabha. 48. Which of the following is not true about the special status enjoyed by Jammu and Kashmir in India's federal constitution? Right option is option C, All legislation enacted by Indian Parliament automatically extend to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. 49. Consider the following statement on Indian secularism. Number 1. It accords respect to all religions and treats them equally in the public sphere. 2. It does not prevent the state from addressing retrograde religious practices. Which of the above statements best represent Indian secularism? 49. Option A, both 1 and 2. 50. Which of the following is true about protective discrimination in India? Option D, all of the above. 51. Consider the following statement. Number 1. Council of Ministers regularly renders aid and advice to President of India. 2. President can return advice rendered by Council of Ministers for reconsideration only once. Third, any written advice rendered twice by the Council of Ministers to the President of India on the same manner is binding on the latter. Which of the above statement is hold true? So the right option here will be option C, 1, 2 and 3. 52. Consider the following statement about money bill. Number 1. Money bill can be introduced in either house of the Parliament of India? No. Only it can be introduced in Lok Sabha. Number 2. Money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha? Yes. Rajya Sabha has the power to delay money bill for a maximum period of 14 days. So the right option is option C, 2 and 3. 53. Consider the following statement about pardon in Indian Constitution. So there are 3 statements. The right option here will be option A, 1, 2 and 3. 54. In which of the following landmark cases did the Supreme Court uphold reservation for backward classes in government jobs, fix 50% limits for reservation, put forward the concept of creamy layer and strike down the demand for reservation of financially poor sections among the forward caste? Right option here will be option A, Indira Sahni versus Union of India, 1992. Who is the chairman of 15th Finance Commission? I hope you all know that. Option D, N.K. Singh. 56. Which match the names in list 1, issues in list 2. Choose a correct answer. So the right option here will be option C. You can see Rajendra Sachar. It is a committee on status of Muslim community. M.S. Librhan on Babri Masjid demolition. J.C. Shah and G.T. Nanavati. So you can say J.C. Shah, national emergency, and G.T. Nanavati, anti-Sikh riots. So let's move towards question 57. Such articles will never be called operation. I hope they would remain in a dead letter. If at all they are brought into operation, I hope the president, who is endowed with these powers, will take proper precautions before actually suspending the administration of the provinces. Ambedkar said that. Which article of the Indian Constitution does this speech refers to? And the right option here will be President Rule, Article 356. 58. Whether presidential proclamation under 56 was justiciable, and if so, to which extent? What extent? Whether the dissolved legislature can be revived if the proclamation is set aside, whether the validity of proclamation can be challenged if it has been approved by Parliament. In which of the following court cases were this question asked? So the right option here will be B. S.R. Bombay versus Union of India. 59. Social and religious life cannot be separated easily in the Indian context, especially since religion covers almost every aspect from birth to death. Which among the following is the final authority to draw the line between matters of religious nature and secular activities in India? Right option here will be option B, judiciary. 16. The constructive vote of no confidence is associated with option C, Germany. 61. Structural functionalism is a product of, right option here will be option D, behavioral revolution. 62. Which of the following is not true of traditional comparative politics? Option C, that is studied political behavior. It is not true of traditional comparative politics. 63. The transition to societies in which education and knowledge replace capital and manufacturing as key resources is referred to as option B, post industrial revolution. 64. Match the electoral system in list 1 with countries in list 2 and choose a correct answer. So there are list 1 mixed proportional representation system, FPTP, 2 round system, list proportional system, and list 2 says Sweden, France, India, Germany. So the right option here will be option A. For example, means FPTP, you all know that it is for India. 2 round system, it is for France. And mixed mixed member proportional system, it is for Germany. And least proportional system, that is D, it will be Sweden. So 65. Which of the following countries is Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps associated with? Option C, Iran. 66. President of India is elected by the members of, and the right option here will be option B, elected members of parliament and state legislative assemblies. Nominated members do not take participation in election of the president. 67. The minimum age for becoming a candidate for the Rajya Sabha election is option C, that is 30 years, and for Lok Sabha minimum age is 25 years. 68. President can remove a member of Union Cabinet on the advice of option B, at Prime Minister. 69. Concurrent list in Constitution refers to legislative, administrative, and financial matters over which. So the right option here will be option D. Both central and state government have jurisdiction. 70. Who was appointed as India's first Lokpal in India? So the right option is Pinaki Chandra Ghosh, option B. 71. So there are paraphrase passages you have to read and answer the following question. I will not read the passage, but I will tell you the answers. So 71. The right option here will be option B. You can read the question and mark the correct option. 72. The exercise of forecasting monsoon is difficult because option D. The acknowledged possibility of error makes the prediction inaccurate. 73. The editorial suggests, so option D, that there should be a rehearsal of the standard procedure by NGOs and government agencies. 74. The important points of plan to combat heat are option D, all of the above. The vulnerable sections mentioned in the editorial are option A, elderly and those who live in the cities, sorry. 76. The media mentioned for sending weather alerts excludes. Right option will be D, all of the above. Second passage you can read. The right option, the question says, in this passage Gandhi links the English saying about honesty to. So the right option here will be option B, diplomacy. 78. Gandhi claims that his faith in non-violence is based on option A, that is reason. 79. Gandhi exhorts his followers to practice truth and non-violence not only against the government but also in option D, all of the above. D. From the passages one gets the sense that this message was addressed to option B, Gandhi and Seva Sangh. 81. What distinguishes the soldier of non-violence is that option D, they will give up their lives for it. 82. Gandhi does not deny that non-violence of the weak is option D, effective to some extent. Third passage you can read, and the right option question says 83. What, according to passage, constitute the reason for the low rate of receiving of migrants by Maldives? So the right option is option A, religious and social issues. 84. Migrants or refugees from which countries, according to passage, were received by Bangladesh till date? Right option is option A, India, Pakistan and Myanmar. 85. What is the main reason behind India's receiving of refugee or migrants from majority of the states in South Asia? Option A, geographic factors. 86. Country that does not take refugee. So the right option here will be option C, that is Maldives. 87. According to this passage, which are the states that received less or no migrants or refugees? So the right option here will be option D, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. 88. Which state can be called an exclusive refugee sending states? And the right option here will be option A, Afghanistan. Passage 4, you can also read it, and the question says 89. The author sees democracy and good governance in Africa as part of a, so the right option here will be option B, new wave of democratization. 90. The author writes about a global trend to shift from, so the right option here will be 90, option D. 91. According to the author, without election, the essence of democracy C will not be achieved. 92. The democratic process in Africa, according to author, has been adversely affected by the violence and option B, electoral malpractices. 93. For rural voters, state is a option A, distant entity. 94. African Union has not been very effective against option C, violation of democratic norms. There is passage number 5. Question 95 says, which of the following is not true about populist rhetoric? And the right option here will be option B, that it claims the people cannot be divided along sectional interest. So you must think that what is about populist rhetoric. You need to know about this term. 96. In what sense has populism become a pejorative term? Okay, so the right option here will be option D, all of the above. 97. What, according to author, characterizes the general understanding of populism in Tamil Nadu? And the right option here will be option A. It puts people and their aspiration at their heart of their analytical focus. 98. What does populism share in common with nationalist mobilization? Right option here will be option A. Both emphasizes on the indivisibility of people. 99. What lies at the heart of populist ideology? And the right option here will be option A, that it claims the oppressive elites hijacked and denied the common people their due. So the last question is 100th. For populists, people are identified in relation to option C, outsiders. So option C is the right option here. So this is it. Thank you friends. Thank you very much for this discussion.